Welcome to Introduction of Mastering Hacking with Metasploit. Metasploit is an exploitation framework, group of tools and utilities put together to make exploit development and system administration. Basically, the attacker launches number of payloads to victim's computer which exploit the vulnerabilities to exploit data. The Metasploit framework includes hundreds of auxiliary modules that perform scanning, fuzzing, sniffing, and many more. With the help of exploitation module, you will be capable to hack Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, and Android operating system also. In this course, you will be able to learn essential techniques and build a strong foundation to penetrate your victim's computer. After completion of this course, you will be capable to perform following things, that is exploit XP with SMP server, hack Windows 7 using backdoor exe, hack Apple Mac OS X, hack almost all Windows operating system, that is XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. You will be capable to download documents, create remote users, and take screen captures from exploited Linux and Windows servers.